The warning alarm feature will vary with distance from
That missed it.
This test is conducted each morning between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first hazardous weather day.
Ooh, I got both. I got both. Ooh, I got both. Not by a lot, though.
After midnight. Seam 7 to 10 feet. Building to 10 to 15 feet. After sleep accumulation of 6 to 10 inches.
How did that not go off?
In the lower 30s. East winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Thursday. Snow. Patchy blowing snow in the morning. Patchy blowing snow in the afternoon with visibility 1/4 mile or less at times. Additional snow accumulation of 3 to 6 inches. Highs in the mid-30s. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour.